French Air Accident Investigation Agency B has received the flight data recorder (FDR) and cockpit voice recorder (CVR) that were recovered from the Ethiopian Airlines Boeing 737 MAX 8 crash site. A B spokesman told ATW March 14 the so-called black boxes arrived at 1 p.m. local time, 4 days after the March 10 crash. B also tweeted, "Coordination meetings are in progress. Technical work will start tomorrow." Flight 302 crashed near Addis Ababa soon after takeoff. All 157 people on board were killed. The MAX is now grounded worldwide after FAA issued an emergency order March 13, barring the aircraft from flying to or within the U.S., the last country to take such action. The groundings are based on concerns about similarities of the Flight 302 event with a Lion Air 737 MAX 8 that crashed off the Indonesian coast October 29, killing all on board. While the Lion Air crash is still being investigated, satellite and wreckage evidence indicates similar patterns. Information on the FDR and CVR may be able to confirm or rule out those similarities. Helen Massey Beresford, helen.massey-beresford@aviationweek.co.uk